Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with tsportline, and I know you've heard me say this plenty of times in the past about this being the best Cybertruck we've ever done. This is the best looking Cybertruck. This is my favorite Cybertruck. And I'm gonna have to say it again today. This is the coolest, best looking Cybertruck tsportline has ever created. It's for a VIP client that shipped his Cybertruck to us all the way from Florida. This is not the first big build we've done for him. This is the second, and this one absolutely is the winner. Let's jump right into it. As you can see, we went ahead and we wrapped the exterior stainless steel panels using TMaxx Gloss Coffee Crema color change PPF. A new color for us, and I absolutely love it. It's got these kind of like military vibes and tones going on in the colorway, and it's something we've never done before. I think it's a really cool color. Now, as you could tell, we painted the front bumper gloss shiny black and the rear bumper as well. But that's all we painted because this is the world's first gloss carbon fiber wide body kit we've ever put on a Cybertruck. He actually got it before me, and I'm a little bit jealous about that. But this customer deserves it. He is a VIP, and just check out our brand new kit. So cool. Starting off with the front wheel fender, wheel arches, gloss carbon fiber with these really great designs over here, which speak very much the cyber language, into these really cool side skirts or rocker panels. Up the back, new wheel arches, gloss exposed carbon fiber with some really nice designs. Takes the exterior look of the Cybertruck to a whole new level. And I know you're checking out my favorite, these 24-inch CTM fully forged wheels, custom painted for this customer in a two-tone finish to match the theme, of course, right? Gloss black and gloss coffee crema. He also has our brand new tsportline floating center cap in the cyber font. That's new and exciting. Now, while you take a look at all this over here, and as I make my way over to the driver's side, we also installed gloss carbon fiber side mirror caps because we didn't want that plastic look. Now, underneath those CTM wheels, behind the wheels, I have something very special to share with you. Another first. This customer opted for our big brake kit. This is massive. This is way better performing than the standard braking system that comes on our Cybertrucks. So as you can see in the front, we have our 6-piston calipers, 2-piece rotors, and in the back, it's a 4-piston, and it still has 2-piece rotors. Now, we had to throw on a set of 22-inch CT7s so that I could expose this to you, so I could show this to you. And while they look really great, it's all about the performance. And that's why this customer chose to go ahead and spend the money to have these installed. And he didn't care so much about the look because while that's really cool and he could have done 24-inch CT7s, he loves the CTM. He wanted that two-tone finish that I showed you on the passenger side, but underneath that, big braking power. Now, he did not stop there. To be the best, the most exciting build that we've ever done, you know the interior needed to be completely reupholstered and changed. Let's go inside, and I've got some really cool new things to show you. So I know in the past you've seen our matte carbon fiber 5-piece interior decor, which starts with the lower dash and then the 4 door panel inserts. Well, this is another world's first because we finished the carbon fiber in a gloss clear coat on top. So this is a gloss carbon fiber 5-piece interior decor. Of course, he opted for our reimagined, thicker, sportier feeling squircle, finished in gloss carbon fiber on the top and on the bottom. Ferrari black leather sides with Crema stitching. And speaking about Crema stitching, it's all over. The front and rear seats have been reupholstered using Ferrari black leather with Monza suede inserts, and then for a nice touch and to tie it all in, Crema stitching throughout. Thank you so much for watching. I know you love this video, and I'd love to hear from you below on some comments. And also, if you love this content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.